Hey guys, welcome back. Vibing with your girl Trina. I'm gonna make for you guys today. I'm gonna make you guys some peanut porridge, Jamaican style. I know my last few videos that I've been making, you guys don't hear me talk too much, but I apologize, and it's because my little one, she tends to make noise in the background playing with her toys, so I have to eliminate the noise. All right, so I appreciate you guys from vibing with me. I want to thank you guys very, very much for your support. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your peanut porridge today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And what I want you guys to do for me is to subscribe and hit that button down there, that bell button, so anytime when I'm post any new videos, you guys will get a little thing that I upload a new video. This is a passionate thing that I love to do, is cook. I love to cook as well. So that you guys know, this is all me. Never went to school for cooking. Support your girl. All right, if there's anything that you guys want to ask me to do, you guys could comment below. Let me know what you guys want me to do for you guys, or show you guys what to do, okay? But today, I'm gonna make you guys some peanut porridge. Hope you guys ready. Stay tuned to see what I'm gonna make. Don't move. Take a little seat, and I want you guys to enjoy this video. All right, so first and foremost, I'm gonna show you guys all the ingredients that you're gonna need to make your peanut porridge. All right, so right here we have the ingredients that we're gonna need as well. Okay, so this is your vanilla. All right, we got some salt. I may use the regular salt as well. And we're gonna need the condensed milk. We're gonna need some sugar, okay? And we're gonna use some oats as well. So this is cinnamon, real Jamaican leaf, original leaf and from the tree. So yes, I put some in here because I already prepped some of it to put in the peanut porridge. And you know you have a sugar, or you have this as well. So you have half cup of sugar and half cup of so we have the oats. All right, so it's half cup of oats. And I show you guys nutmeg. You guys could use the ground nutmeg, but I usually use the real one. Okay, so I'm gonna grate that to put in there. I use one nutmeg. Okay, so we're gonna have some coconut milk. All right, so we use half a cup of coconut milk. I already prepped it for you guys. And some raw peanuts. Okay, 1 cup of raw peanuts. I usually buy the ones that's already out of the shell. Okay, but I couldn't find any, so I bought this one. Okay, and it's raw peanuts. All right, if you can't find the raw peanut, you could always use the dry one in the shell as well. And this is your milk. You have 1 cup of whole milk as well. Whole milk. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna get into show you guys everything that we need. I'm gonna need a cup of water as well, a cup of water in the pot starting off with. Okay, so let's get right to it. Okay guys, so we got everything prepped. So I have the water in the stove, and what I'm gonna take is my cinnamon sticks, and this is the real cinnamon leaf from the tree. Exactly, okay, the real cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna take these cinnamon stick and the leaf, and I'm gonna place it in the water to boil. Okay, so it could boil out in it and give that nice flavor, because I wanted to remove those parts as well from the porridge, so it wouldn't stay in the porridge as well. So I'm gonna let it stay there and boiled. Okay guys, so what I'm doing, I'm starting off with a cup of water. Okay, I'm starting off with a cup of water. All right, so you want to start with the less water as possible that you can. Okay, all the ingredients that you're gonna need. Also, you're gonna need your blender. Okay, you're gonna need a blender to do all that mixing. All right, got our blender here. Okay. Got our blender, and we got our cup of peanut. Okay. We got our half cup of oats. We have our cup of milk. You could use water, but I tend to use milk. It's better. Okay. We're gonna cover that, and we're gonna get it all mixed up. What I'll do as well, before I do that, I just go ahead and I pour the coconut milk. And we're gonna blend. So guys, it's finished. So we're gonna take it off. Okay. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pour it into the porridge, into the pot. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pour this into the pot. Look at that, guys. Rich and smooth. Look good, don't it? Yeah, man. I know it look good, you know. I know it look good. I know it look good, right? Yeah, it look good. So the thing's set. Me I tell you. Guys, I'm gonna lift that up. So the cinnamon, yes. So that's the water boiling up. All right. And I'm about to pour this into the pot. And that's the peanut with the oats, the milk, the oat milk, and the coconut milk. Okay. Nice, rich, smooth. Yes. So that is all boiled up. I'm going to take those cinnamon stick out because I don't like to cook it with it in there. Okay. I'm taking these cinnamon sticks out. Got a nice flavor in the water already. Anything else in here? Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, we got one more piece of stick. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna take I'm gonna pour the oats I'm gonna blend up. I'm gonna pour it in the pot on the fire. All right, so when you pour, you have to pour and stir. All right, you're gonna pour and stir. Okay, you don't want it to burn. See how thick that is? Put your stove on medium low. You got some more in it, so I'm gonna take some milk. Use some milk and pour it in it. I don't like to use too much water, so I'm gonna use the milk. The milk give a more richer body to it and a richer look. And this should right when we're done, I'm gonna leave it. So we just have to pour a little bit. And you keep stirring. Okay guys, so we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients in it to give it a little flavor. All right, so me not have no cinnamon powder. I really think me they have some in the cabinet, but me not have none. So I use for that. I use a cinnamon stick. I'm gonna drop it tonight to give it a little flavor. All right, so I'm gonna drop it tonight. And you wanna take a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm gonna use the cork. So the cork is like about a teaspoon. Okay. You want to keep whipped, okay? You don't want it to burn, okay? So you're going to put a teaspoon of allspice. To have a good texture to it. So I'm going to need to add no more milk. Then I'm going to add some sugar. All right. Me use sugar, the brown sugar. Sweet to your taste, okay? As sweet to your taste. As much as you want, put it. I don't know how you like your porridge. You like it sweet. But this is half cup of sugar. You only use some out of it. So I'm going to leave some. I'm going to use the rest. And sweeten it, which is a condensed milk. All right. So you want to use about half cup of condensed milk. But the milk is to your taste. All right. Sweet to your taste. It's condensed milk and it's sweet. All right. Just continue to whip. Medium low. All right. So what I'm gonna do now? This is the nutmeg. This is nutmeg. You can't use the nutmeg in the bottle where you buy from the store, but I usually use the real one. I'm gonna grate this in the porridge. All right. So you're gonna need a grater. So I'm gonna grate it in it. About a teaspoon of nutmeg you're gonna need. Run about a teaspoon of nutmeg you want to use, okay? It's kind of a little thick, so I'm gonna get some milk and I'll put half cup more whole milk in it and leave it to cook down. Me not use water, but you can use water, but me better me love to use the milk. Right? So I'm gonna cover this now. I'm gonna leave the cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll come back and give you the tips and how it tastes. That time, guys, so I let it sit on for 20 minutes. Yes, got the nice flavor, and it's done, guys. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice texture. That is your peanut part, and it's all. Use this. One nice cup. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pour it in. Yes, look at that. Oh, yes. There it is, guys. Look at that nice texture. Yes, guys. Thank you guys for vibing with me, your girl, Trina. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Okay, this is very good, very healthy. You know, in the morning when you get up on, like on a Saturday morning, you get up and you know, go work, you want something nice to eat to hold it during the day. Yeah, something like this. So thank you guys for vibing with me, your girl one and only, TRENA. Want you guys to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend. And I appreciate you guys for vibing with me. And I'll see you guys another time in another video. All right, so my next video porridge that I want to do for you guys, it will be a plantain porridge. Enjoy. Bye. Hey guys, I'm gonna taste my little porridge. It tastes good, guys. How this, guys? It tastes real good. All you guys to do for me is vibe with your girl Trina. Every time I'm posting a video, make sure you guys just tune in. I want you guys to tune in, okay, to vibe with your girl. Subscribe, share, and like. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I appreciate you guys vibing with me, and I appreciate you guys for subscribing and sharing my video. I'm glad to share my passion with you guys. I'm glad to do this. I have the passion for food, cooking food. All right, so see you guys in another video. Thank y'all. Peace. Yes. Taste really good. Bye.